Hi, I'm Mary Ann, owner of Strength, Balance, and Yoga Studio, certified personal trainer and group exercise instructor. Your exercise for the month is Bird Dog. This is an exercise that will strengthen your core, provide you with back stability, also work the obliques. It's a great exercise that you can even do at home. Bird Dog. To begin the Bird Dog exercise, you're going to begin on hands and knees, quadruped position. Hands are directly under shoulders, feet are flexed under, and you're going to alternate right arm, left leg. And then switch to the other side. Once you're in extension, pause and hold. And the longer you hold, the more difficult you make the exercise, and I would recommend 3 sets of 12. Bird Dog for your core.